This is one of the reasons why Arochukwu people are scattered through Igbo land. The Aro expedition and defeat enabled the British to penetrate Uturu community through the Isu-Kwato axis. This was 120 years ago. Saraf Mo and the Royal Niger Company had planned the attack on the Aro and the Ibini Okpabi Oracle since September 1899. Due to lack of necessary manpower, it was delayed until November 1901. Lieutenant Colonel Arthur Forbes led 87 officers, 1,550 soldiers, and 2,100 carriers to Arochukwu from Oguta. As expected, the Arochukwu people resisted these soldiers even though they were not with any modern weapons. Arochukwu was captured on December 28 after a strong battle between the British and the Arochukwu indigenes. As a result of this battle, the Ibini Okpabi shrine was blown up. The battle between the British Army and the Aro forces continued through the region until 1902, when Aro forces were defeated